Today I'm speaking to Romina Wiechern from Data School Germany. Thanks for joining me, Romina.
Yeah, great to be here, Andy. Thanks.
Tell everybody a bit about yourself.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Romina. I'm from Germany. I studied social science in Rostock for my bachelor's degree and then moved to Bremen to do my master's in social research.
How did that then lead you to the data school?
At Bremen University, I worked at the Perform project. It's a panel data project. And yeah, doing my studies and while working there, I get more and more involved with data and the analysis of social science. And yeah, that's why I'm here. So after my degree, I looked around for jobs in the data field. And then I came across with the information lab and I applied and yeah, now I'm here.
And here you are, yeah. So one of the interesting things one of the things I really like about the data school is the different backgrounds. So I was speaking to Frederick yesterday and he has a background in nanoscience. So how do you think that helps you during your training to have people with different backgrounds?
And the different views and the questions you have with the data. So I'm with a social background, social science background. Maybe I'm more interested in different, or I have a different focus than Frederick or Marilina, who studied physics. Yeah.
And you just started learning Alteryx when you started at the data school. So what do you prefer now, Tableau or Alteryx?
I would rather prefer Tableau.
And why?
It was the reason for my application into yeah, and I like to, or I think it's important to present the data to others in a way that they can understand the meaning of the things I want to show them. And yeah, I like to make beautiful charts and nice dashboards. And yeah.
How do you think you've improved the most since training started?
Oh, honestly, in speaking English.
Oh, great. Well, you speak great English, so I wish I could
Thanks.
speak German as well as you speak English.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, during my studies, I read a lot amount of papers and books in English, but I never had to speak it. So yeah, I'm glad to step out of my comfort zone in that way.
What do you think you'd be doing if you didn't get into the data school?
Maybe do some other data research job, but not the training part. So the data school, the 4 months of training is a big opportunity to get comfortable with the method in Tableau. And yeah, I think that's a big opportunity for me.
What are some tips you have for people that are considering applying to the data school?
Yeah, be prepared, be comfortable with your work, and be yourself. And don't be shy to ask some questions, because asking questions is always good.
Let me move on to some random questions here. Who's your favorite movie character?
There are a few, I think. So are the Harry Potter movies counting for you? So Hermione Granger, yeah, she's smart, she's tough. She always wanted to know everything. But it's a book character originally. So yeah, Trinity from the Matrix movies.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I've never seen any of those. I've never seen any Harry Potter movies, and I've never seen The Matrix. So I think I'm one of the few people left in the world that has not seen those.
Yeah. Few.
What advice do you have for people to help them be more organized?
I think it's important to have a good timeline and to think about a few scenarios that can happen. So yeah, prepare for different scenarios and then you are totally fine.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Romina, for your time, and you have a good rest of your day. And I look forward to teaching you again soon.
Yeah, I'm looking forward soon too. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.